thought, what am I doing here? Yeah, what am I doing here? Yeah, I woke up this morning and I thought, what am I doing here? Yeah, what am I doing here? Oh, my brother, he starts raging. I watch him rising, I see him howling, and he sucked her, and he sucked her, and he sucked her dry. And he bit at me and bit at me and said goodbye. Up on the 29th floor, up on the 29th floor. Well, I was lying there with just my brother. We could hear someone rattling the locks. I was lying there with just my brother. He said, yeah, I might think it might be the cops. And we sucked her, and we sucked her, and we sucked her dry. Yeah, we sucked her, we sucked her, we sucked her dry. I was Mickey Mouse, he was the big bad this morning, he was gone. There were posters in the airport and the station. We took shelter. We took shelter under her body, under her body. We sucked her, we sucked her dry. And we sucked her, and we sucked her, and we shaved her dry. And he kissed me, and said goodbye. He kissed me, and said goodbye. She's walking down the me the Loch Ness Monster. Two great big homes and then I'm gone. Actually, I'm the abominable snowman, and I guess that I loved you for too long. Sitting in the bathtub, full of her fingers, full of her fingers. You're sitting in the bathtub, says I'm scared and lonely. Never seen no one, says I'm scared and lonely. Here come the wolf man, hey little more, saying hey little more, saying hey little more. Sitting in the bathtub, my heathen child. She's a heathen child. Yeah, she's a heathen child. Yeah, she's a real wild child. She got a little powder. She got a little gun. She got a little poison, got a little gun, and is sitting in the bathtub sucking her thumb. Says I don't care about Buddha, care about Krishna, don't care about Allah, don't care about any of them. Just sitting in the bathtub sucking her thumb. 'Cause she's a heathen child. Yeah, she's a heathen child. Yeah, she's a heathen child. Yeah, she's a real wild child. Yeah, you come over here. Oh, poor little Momo. Yeah, Captain Monroe. She's got a little powder, got a little gun, and sitting in the bathtub having some fun. She was raised by beasts and photographed by vultures. Here come the wolf man, the abominable snowman. Got a little poison, got a little gum, sitting in the bathtub waiting for the wolf man to come. You think your great big husband will protect you? You are wrong. You think your little wife will protect you? You are wrong. You think your children will protect you? You are wrong. You think your government will protect you? You are wrong. She don't care about Allah. She is the Allah. Don't care about Buddha. She is the Buddha. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Woo! 'Cause she's a heathen child. Yeah, she's a heathen child. She's a heathen child. She's a heathen child. place of the showers. The worst thing is the visiting hours. Hey, careful of the cop when my baby comes. They had pistols and they had guns. They threw me on the ground and they emptied into me. I was only 15 when my baby comes. Just how long you gonna be my baby? Just how long you gonna be my baby? Till you come. Just how long you gonna be my baby? Just how long you gonna be my baby? Till you come. She got hands as white as milk, and she weaves a loop of spider silk that glistens when my baby comes. There's an ancient question behind her eyes that I can't even begin to describe. Hey, hey, listen, don't do that on the carpet. My baby comes. Does anyone out there waste their lives on booze and drugs, on the husbands and wives, and they're making money when my baby comes? Well, they had pistols and they had guns, my skirt above my head. Well, I was so much older when I crawled out from under their mushroom cloud. Just how long you gonna be my baby? Just how long you gonna be my baby? Yeah, I know. Know it from the day that I was born. Yeah, I know. From the time I went to school. Yeah, I know. Time was a teenager. No, no. From the time that I got married. Hey, I know. A million things are gonna happen to me in rooms that are much like these. It'll never be never be enough. So you better come over here. You better come over here. You better come on over here. You better come over here. 'Cause yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Oh, baby. Oh, my precious baby. Oh, baby, baby, baby. Who needs the stars? You are my star. Who needs the moon? You are my moon, baby, baby, baby. Cling to me, baby, in this rented room. Who needs the TV? You are my TV. Who needs a record player? You are my record player. Cling to me, baby, in this rented room. Telephone, a voice from 100 miles away. Its breath is heavy and you're all alone, and it's got something that it wants to say. It's got something that it wants to say. Its breath is heavy and you're all alone. A voice so clear you can feel its breath. Yeah, coming down that telephone. Oh, my baby. my little lamb. Who needs children? You are my child, crying like a demon in your daddy's arms. Oh, my baby. Cling to me, baby, in this broken dream. You are the moon, who needs the moon? You are the stars, who needs the stars? Cling to me, little baby, in this broken dream, and let me protect you from this evil love. Oh, my little baby. I keep hanging around your kitchenette, and I'm gonna get a pot to cook you in. I stick my fingers in your biscuit jar and crush all your gingerbread men, 'cause I want to wake the executioner. He's sleeping where the fireman's at. He leaves his glass eye on the pillow, baby, and his dentures floating there in a glass. Come, he makes it hard to relax. It makes it hard to relax when I want you. Yeah, I want you to be my friend. Come on. It's getting hard to relax. It's getting hard to get my act together. I'm gonna go out and open up the window and check outside. Well, what's this husband of yours ever given to you? Oprah Winfrey on a plasma screen. Buddha jogging buck-toothed the imbeciles, the ugliest fucking kids I've ever seen. Oh, baby, I want you. Yeah, I want you to be my girlfriend. Well, maybe we could send those kids to play down on the street. Hey, shouldn't you put shoes on their feet? It's getting hard to relax. It's getting hard to relax. Maybe go to the window. Who's that coming on the back stairs? Coming up the back stairs. Well, I can see that you don't really dig him, and I can see that you wanted to quit. But if you wanna get your hand out of the cookie jar, you're gonna have to let go of the biscuit. Oh, baby, I want you. Yeah, I want you to be my girlfriend. Yeah, I want you. Yeah, I want relax. It's hard to relax. It's hard to relax. It's hard to relax. Get my act together. Yeah, get my act together. Woo! Psychedelic invocations, a Matahari at the station I give to you. A Java princess of Hindu birth, a woman of flesh, a child of the earth, give to you. Well, the handguns of Babylon, Miles Davis, the black unicorn, I give to you. The palaces of Montezuma, the gardens of Akbar's tomb, I give to you. The spider goddess and needle boy, the slave dwarves that they employ, I give to you. A custard-colored super dream of Ollie McGraw and Steve McQueen, I give to you. Come on, baby, let's get out of the cold. Give me your precious love for me to hold. The epic of Gilgamesh, a pretty little black A-line dress, I give to you. The spinal cord of JFK wrapped in Marilyn Monroe's negligee, I give to you. I want nothing in return, just the softest little breathless word I ask of you. A word contained in a grain of sand that can barely walk, can't even stand, I ask for you. Come on, baby, let's get out of the cold. Give me your precious love for me to hold. Come on, baby, come out of the cold. get scared a little bit of those two cold dead eyes that stare a little bit, and we cry a little bit, and we get by a little bit. Yeah, let your tears all come falling down. Sons and daughters for you. Put me on a big white horse, send me down a bamboo cross. Oh yeah, it's okay, Joe. Time to go.
Thank you.